Sure. Here's a script for your YouTube channel FK iPhone, about the 2025 Nokia 21, staying within a 600-word limit and covering features, exterior, and conclusion, Welcome to FK iPhone, the channel where we explore the tech world beyond the usual suspects. Today, we're diving into a phone that might just surprise you all. Say hello to the 2025 Nokia 21. Yes, Nokia is still in the game, and this time, they brought something interesting to the table. Let us start with the exterior because that's where the first impression hits. The Nokia 21 comes with a sleek matte finish, available in bold new colors that stand out without being flashy. The design is refreshingly minimal. There's no glass sandwich here. Instead, Nokia goes for a solid polymer composite back that feels sturdy and grippy. The frame is metallic, with slightly rounded edges making it very comfortable to hold. The camera bump is subtle, almost flush with the back, and the phone feels balanced in hand. It's not trying too hard to look premium, but it definitely feels durable and well built. Up front, you get a large display with very slim bezels. There's a center punch hole camera and thankfully, no oversized chin. The screen itself is a full HD OLED panel with smooth refresh rate support, making it perfect for scrolling, gaming, and binge watching your favorite content. The brightness levels are impressive even in daylight, and color accuracy is much better than what Nokia has offered in the past. Now let us talk about performance and features. The Nokia 21 runs on a mid-range Snapdragon chipset, which might sound modest but it's actually very efficient. This phone isn't trying to compete with flagships on raw speed. It focuses on delivering a stable, clean, and smooth experience. Apps open quickly, multitasking is handled well, and there's little to no bloatware. It runs on near-stock Android with Nokia S Lite customizations, which means fast updates and no unnecessary clutter. You also get a respectable battery life here. Thanks to the power-efficient chip and clean software, the Nokia 21 easily lasts more than a day on a single charge. It supports fast charging, and though it doesn't go overboard with crazy wattage numbers, it gets the job done without heating up or damaging long-term battery health. The camera setup is practical. You have a main sensor that performs well in daylight, with sharp details and natural colors. Low-light shots are decent too, though not groundbreaking. Nokia includes an ultra-wide lens and a basic macro shooter. Video recording is stable with good color reproduction, and there's a pro mode for users who want a bit more control over their photography. The audio quality is another win. There's a dual speaker setup that gets surprisingly loud and remains clear at high volumes. You also get a headphone jack, which is becoming rare but still appreciated by many. There are some modern features you'd expect as well. A fast in-display fingerprint sensor, face unlock, NFC for contactless payments, and reliable 5G support. Nokia also promises long-term software updates, which is a strong point for users who want their device to last a few years. So what's the verdict on the 2025 Nokia 21? It's not flashy. It doesn't have gimmicks or foldable screens or 1000 megapixels. But what it does offer is a reliable, clean, and balanced smartphone experience. It's made for users who value function over hype, for those who want a phone that just works, day in and day out. That's it for today's video. If you're tired of overpriced devices that overpromise and underdeliver, the Nokia 21 might just be worth a look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you think of Nokia's comeback in the smartphone world. Thanks for watching FK iPhone. Catch you in the next one.